Hey guys, Ryan here at Chastang Ford with another PSA. If you've lost power because of Hurricane Beryl, don't worry because we've got you covered with the F-150 Lightning and the available 9.6 kilowatt of deliverable power. If you need to run your freezer, AC, even your AC system, this truck's got you covered. We actually have it running a 2-stage water pump to get the water out of our back lot and get our service back up and running. If you have any questions about what the truck might be able to do for you, go ahead and reach out to us and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks so much.